Hi, my name is Richard Lazovic, and I am the iTech Tutor. My goal is making technology easy for you. This is one in a group of videos that I am creating called Introduction to Shortcuts, Tips, and Hints to help you use your computer more efficiently and effectively. I will be demonstrating using an Apple Mac computer, but many of these principles apply to Windows PCs also. If you like this video and want to see more, please tap the like button and hit subscribe. Today I'm going to show you about keyboard shortcuts for file management. There are several that I find very useful and use all the time. The first one is Command S, which is save. I use this frequently whenever I'm making edits so that I can save my file. I make a few edits, I type, and then I just naturally hit Command S so that I can save the file and don't lose any of the edits. Now, sometimes I'm working and I want to keep that file as it is, and I want to create a new one that's exactly the same so that I can make changes and then compare it to my previous draft and see which one I like better. So I don't want to lose my old changes, but I want a new file so I can continue to edit. For that, I would hit Command Shift and S, and it's going to save it as a new file. And you'll see it brings up the option to save it and to give it a new file name. So for instance, my previous file was named Keyboard Shortcuts File Management, and I'm just going to name this one number 2. And when I hit save here, you'll see that the second file shows up down here. So I click save, and there it is. I saved my new file. A lot of times I am working and I want to create a completely new file. So if I'm in a program such as Word, I can hit Command N, and you'll see that it created a new file over here. So now I have my new file, and I can do whatever I want in it. I can copy and paste something from the old one. Whoops, I didn't want to do that. I can copy and paste something from the old one, and then make whatever changes I want to. Now, when I do that, again, I can just hit Command S, as I mentioned earlier, to save it. And now I'll have to give it a whole new name, Keyboard Shortcuts Temp. And then hit save. And you'll see that that showed up right here. Now, a lot of times I'll be using a program and finish it, and I want to just quit that program. So instead of going up and trying to search for the quit or the red dot up in the corner, I can just hit Command Q and quit that program. And it's going to ask me if I want to save my changes or not. In this case, I'm going to hit cancel because I'm actually doing a demonstration for you. However, if I'm working on a program and I don't want to quit that program, I just want to close one of the files or windows that I'm working on, I would click on that file and I would do Command W, and it closes just that one. Now, if that file needs to be saved, it would have asked me, do I want to save it or discard the changes? And then I can choose whatever option I want. If I hit the Command W by accident, I can click on cancel and just continue working. Now, this works in many programs. Here I just showed it to you in Word. If I'm in File Manager or Finder, I can click on Finder and do Command N to open a new window. Likewise, I can hit Command W to close that window. Now, Finder is the one program which you can't quit, so Command Q would not work. Also, I do not need to save anything, so Command S or Command Shift S would not be applicable here. So remember, on the Macintosh computer, you use Command, and on a Windows PC, you would use Control. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you didn't, feel free to leave a nice constructive comment. Have a great day.